Hello, students. Today we are going to learn the value education, and its first chapter is A Determined Young Boy. It is the story of a young little boy who was firm on his decisions. The little country schoolhouse was heated by an old fashioned coal stove. A little boy had the job for coming to school early each day to start the fire and warm the room before his teacher and classmates arrived. That was a very brave and very innocent young boy. But one morning they arrived to find the schoolhouse engulfed in flames. They dragged the unconscious little boy out of the flaming building. He had major burns and was taken to a nearby country hospital. It means, unfortunately, one day that room was flamed and that boy was burned very badly. So the nearest classmates and other persons taken him to the nearest hospital. From his bed, the burned, semi conscious little boy faintly heard that doctor talking to his mother. Your boy might not live, since the fire has destroyed so much flesh in the lower part of his body. He would be unable to run, to walk, and stand properly. But the brave boy didn't want to die. Once more, the brave boy made up his mind. He would not be a cripple. He would walk, but unfortunately, from the waist down, he had no motor ability. His thin leg just dangled there, all but lifeless. So ultimately, he was released from the hospital, and every day his mother would massage his little legs. But there was no feeling, no control, and nothing. When he wasn't in bed, he was confined to a wheelchair. So one sunny day, his mother wheeled him out into the yard to get some fresh air. Do you know that day what happened? This day, instead of sitting there, he threw himself from the chair. He pulled himself across the grass and dragging his legs behind him. It means one day that boy doesn't want to sit on the chair. He just tried to his body. He tried to stand up slowly and he walked slowly and just went to the border of the garden. He pulled himself across the grass and dragging his legs behind him. He worked his way to the fence bordering their lot. With great effort, he raised himself up on the fence. Then he began dragging himself along the fence, resolved that he would walk. He started to do this every day. Means this exercise, this action he repeated every day and he never gave up. Ultimately, through his daily massage, his iron persistence, and his resolute determination, he did develop the ability to stand up, then to walk haltingly, then to walk by himself, and then to run. Now you can see the picture. Then slowly he began to walk to school, then to run to school, and then to run for the sheer joy of running. Later in college, he was selected for the track team. Still, later in Madison Square Garden, this determined young man, Dr. Glenn Cunningham, ran the world's fastest mile. So, by this story, we learn that self determination is believing you can control your own destiny. It is the combination of attitudes and abilities that lead people to set goals for themselves. So, by this story, we now learn Dedication, determination, and application always bring success. To achieve something big, you will have to remain focused and put in a lot of hard work. You should always stay concentrated on your dreams. Organized application is the master key to get desired result. We should always work hard to achieve our goals. There is no shortcut to success. Now, the new words in this lesson are engulfed. It means the powerful effect or the natural force. Doomed means having an unfortunate. Cripple means severely damaged. Dangled means follow a person. Persistence means continue even a problem is worst. Resolute, the determined. Thank you.